Hello everyone. My second part of the critical reflection is drawing a poster of Taveuni's Bouma Waterfall. So today I'll be drawing the poster and coloring it, and also telling some of the significance and how it can be preserved for future. Like how Taveuni's Bouma Waterfall can be preserved for upcoming future generations. So to begin with, I'll be drawing the poster of it and drawing it. So while drawing it, I will be telling some of the significance and how it can be preserved. The significance of the Bouma waterfall in Taveuni is a nature and cultural treasure of Fiji. It represents purity, life, and the strong connection between people and treasure. The site supports the local community through ecotourism and provides a home for many native plants and animals, making it both environmentally and culturally valuable. And how it can be preserved for future? Bouma Waterfall can be preserved by promoting sustainable tourism, community-led conservation, tree planting, and environmental education. Protecting a forest keeps the area clean, and teaching visitors to respect the site will help maintain its beauty and importance for future generation. Thank you.